In this video, we will be discussing a problem which is based on the formula of NPR in your Combinatorics chapter. You are aware that this new chapter is there in your Advanced Mathematics course. And this is there this time in class 9 CBSE. Earlier this topic was in 11th standard, but from this year this topic has come in Advanced Mathematics course. As I have informed you that I have made a course on Advanced Mathematics which is there on my app Sandeep Sir Ki Class. And if you want to study advanced maths, you can also take this app from the Play Store. Link I will be giving in the description itself. Okay, with this background, now let us solve the question. So here, as we have discussed in our theory class, that NPR means what? It means out of n objects, we are arranging r objects, and the formula is factorial n upon factorial n minus r. We have also studied in our theory class that factorial n can be written as n into factorial n minus 1. This can also be written as n into n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2. And like that. So with using these formulae, we will be solving this question. We will start with the LHS. So if I apply the formula here, n minus 1 PR can be written as factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus 1 minus r plus r times factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus 1 minus r plus 1, because it will be subtracted. So sign of 1 will be changed. This 1 is cancelled. N minus 1 factorial is there in both the terms in the top in numerator. So it can be taken common, factorial n minus 1. Such questions we have seen in our course also. So I hope that you are familiar with this type of work. Now what will be in the bracket? 1 upon factorial n minus r minus 1 plus r upon factorial n minus r. Okay. Now factorial n minus r, using this formula, how can we write? We can write it as factorial n minus 1. Now factorial n minus r can be written as, using this formula, 1 upon factorial n minus r minus 1 plus r upon n minus r into factorial n minus r minus 1. Now you have understood how smartly we have used this formula, though we have solved many such questions in our course. So here, so that I obtain factorial n minus r minus 1 in both the terms, which can be taken common. So take it common means this is equal to factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus r minus 1, bracket will be 1 plus r upon n minus r. Simplify bracket, which means factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus r minus 1, bracket will be n minus r n minus r plus r. R is cancelled. Now here n and here n minus r. So what ultimately we have obtained, factorial n minus 1 into n in the numerator. Denominator is n minus r minus 1 into n minus r. Clearly, if we apply this formula again, so this will become, numerator is n into factorial n minus 1, so it is factorial n, and denominator is n minus r into factorial n minus r minus 1, so it is factorial n minus r, and this we know is npr, which is our right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Understanding of such questions is essential if you want to learn mathematics in your higher classes. It is not that you will be learning mathematics in 9th standard only. On the basis of the foundation which you have made in 9th standard, that will be useful for you in understanding 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, and that will be helpful for you in your JEE and other engineering examinations. So if you want to build up your mathematical skills, you can join, as I have told in the beginning, Sandeep Sir Ki Class app. Description will explain you that how to use that link which I am giving.